Hey crew, today's video will be a pan-seared catfish that will be served over cilantro lime rice and topped with a corn salsa. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have our catfish fillets, red onion, red bell pepper, 1 jalapeno pepper, 1 lime, chopped cilantro, corn, and cilantro lime rice. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let's get into our video. Alright crew, so we're going to start on our corn salsa. And first we're going to cut up a red onion. And it's very easy to make, so don't overthink it. And all I used was a red onion, a jalapeno pepper, red bell pepper, cilantro, lime juice, honey, and salt and pepper to taste, and some corn. So that's all you need for your corn salsa, and I promise y'all it is really good. And y'all will see at the end of the video that Queen really loved the corn salsa. So right here I'm cutting up the red bell pepper. Alright, so moving right along crew, we're going to cut up our jalapeno pepper. And if you want to, you can use a glove. You really don't have to. Just make sure you wash your hands after you cut up your jalapeno pepper. And you can leave the seeds in the vein in there if you want the heat, if you want a little kick to it. But Queen really don't do spicy stuff, so I always remove the seeds in the vein from the jalapeno pepper. Alright, so we're going to go in with some cilantro for our salsa. You got to have the cilantro. So right here, I'm just going to give it a mix. Then after that, I'm going to go in with a half a lime. And following the half a lime, I'm going to go in with some honey, then the corn, and salt and pepper to taste, and give it a mix. Alright, so our salsa ready. I'm about to give y'all a close-up of our corn salsa. Moving right along, we're going to do our cilantro lime rice. And just please follow directions on the box for your rice. And always, y'all know how I do. I let my water come to a boil, then I add a little salt. Then I put my rice in, I cover it, and then I turn it down on low. Alright, so we have some catfish fillets here. And I'm just going to put them on the mat, and I'm going to season them with Cajun season, salt, and my personal season. And whatever season you want to use for your catfish, by all means you can use that seasoning.
No worries, I'll be by your side. 인생의 심표나 let it breathe, just be yourself. 시간. Yeah, yeah. 어릴 적을 회상해보면 그리워져. 문득 떠오르는 나 때는 말야. 이렇군 저렇군. We had no idea back then. When was the last time you had no?
Here's that close-up of our seasoned catfish. And I pan-seared the catfish with a little margarine. I wish I had butter, but I didn't. So sometimes you just gotta roll with it. Whatever you gotta use.
만나보자. 우후후하이. 인생의 신변아. 우후후야이. Oh, let it breathe, let it breathe. Just be yourself. 너를 위한 달콤한 시간. 마음의 가방을 챙겨가. 여행의 보물을 담아봐. 아쉬워하면 다.
Alright, I'm about to give y'all that famous close-up of our pan-seared catfish. Okay, crew, so here's the final plating of our seared catfish over cilantro lime rice with our corn salsa and a little bit of creamy sriracha salsa with the top. About to give y'all the famous close-up, then we're gonna let Queen try it.
Let it breathe. Just be yourself. 너를 위한 달콤한 시간.
Alright, y'all, Queen about to try. She put some lime on it currently. She said she want to get busy with them flavors.
I want a piece of everything, so I might mess up your order.
It's all good.
I want a little bit of everything, though. I'm going to eat this whole plate, so don't worry about it. Uh-oh. Okay. I gotta go in for another one before I give y'all my real answer. I'm just gonna tell y'all to try it. I love salsa. I love fish and rice, so y'all just gotta try this. Make this for y'all husband, y'all wife, y'all kids. They'll like it. I'm about to go eat it. Y'all just make it, okay? And when y'all make it, tell me what y'all think.
Alright, y'all, so I appreciate y'all for tuning in the video. Queen's still going in. Go in, baby. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. Peace.
Bye, y'all.